हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। आज की वीडियो में हम केमिस्ट्री के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। एंड वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which metal is the heaviest in periodic table among the following? And the correct answer is osmium. Second question, which of the following elements is not radioactive? And the correct answer is zirconium. Third question, which of the following determined the absolute value of charge on an electron? And the correct answer is R.A. Millikan. Fourth question, which of the following metals is used in spacecrafts to withstand high temperatures? And the correct answer is titanium. Fifth question, the chemical formula of the laughing gas is? And the correct answer is N2O. Sixth question, which of the following is also known as wood alcohol? And the correct answer is methanol. Seventh question, the element common to all acids is? And the correct answer is hydrogen. Eighth question, which of the following is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen? And the correct answer is water gas. Ninth question, which of the following discovered electron? And the correct answer is J.J. Thomson. 10th question, what amount of argon is present in Earth's atmosphere? And the correct answer is 0.9%. 11th question, liquefied petroleum gas LPG is mostly a mixture of which of the following two carbon compounds? And the correct answer is butane and propane. 12th question, acids react with bases to give? And the correct answer is both option first and option second, that is salt and water. 13th question, elements that show the properties of both metals and non-metals are called? And the correct answer is metalloids. 14th question, commercially sodium bicarbonate is known as? And the correct answer is baking soda. 15th question, which compound of calcium and magnesium Make the hardness of water permanent. And the correct answer is all of the above, that is carbonates, nitrates, and chlorides. 16th question. What is the common name of calcium sulfate hemihydrate? And the correct answer is plaster of Paris. 17th question. If water smells bad, then the odor can be removed by adding. And the correct answer is activated carbon. 18th question. What is the product formed when sodium bicarbonate is heated strongly? And the correct answer is sodium carbonate. 19th question. Name the gas used in preparation of bleaching powder. And the correct answer is chlorine. 20th question. Which one of the following non-metals shows allotrophy in the liquid state? And the correct answer is sulfur. 21st question. Limestone is a raw material used by which industry? And the correct answer is cement. 22nd question. Atomic number of an atom gives the number of which of the following? And the correct answer is protons. 23rd question. Which method will be employed to test the hardness of water? And the correct answer is formation of leather with soap. 24th question. Which one of the following elements has used in manufacture of fertilizers? And the correct answer is nitrogen. 25th question. In addition to hydrogen, the other abundant element present on Sun's surface is? And the correct answer is helium. 26th question. Farmers neutralize the effect of acidity on soil by adding? And the correct answer is slaked lime. 27th question. Which of the following forms of nitrogen is taken up by higher plants? And the correct answer is nitrates and ammonium. 28th question. Which among the following compound is most used in the photochromic lenses? And the correct answer is silver chloride. 29th question. How many periods and groups are there in the modern periodic table? And the correct answer is 18 groups and 7 periods. And the last 30th question. What is the milk of magnesium chemically? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड। तो ये थे केमिस्ट्री के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट MCQs। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेटल इज यूज्ड विथ आयरन टू मेक इट रस्ट फ्री। सो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।